Hey guys, this is Rhys Trenhaile from the Vanguard Team at Manor Realty. What if I told you a new second Costco, even bigger than the existing Costco, is coming to Windsor? As an investor or a real estate owner, would you care? You should, because it's a massive economic indicator. So you might have seen in the news recently, we're getting an Amazon warehousing site in Windsor. Very big deal. It was supposed to be 100,000 square feet when first announced. The number keeps creeping up. I think they're up to about 160,000 square feet now that they're going to build, and they've started building. So they keep expanding this thing when it's not even built yet, right? Windsor's also added a no frills recently, and it's also added Loblaws first sort of super discount grocery store in Ontario. And now Costco's announcing a second, even bigger Costco in Windsor, Ontario, not out in the county, not out in the sort of suburbs, but in the city proper. Why those are strong indicators when big box retail comes that strongly, right? All in a wave like this, is these guys are all multi-billion-dollar corporations, and they have their own investment algorithms, right? So you'll often hear me talk about the big six banks and how, because they have so many clients and they can see behavior patterns, they can see who owes what in debt, etc. Collectively, they can predict the economic ups and downs of things like interest rates very accurately compared to everybody else because they have access to more data than anybody else. The retail sector looks at the same market differently, right? They want to know over the course of the building's existence, which is going to be 20 to 30 years, right? Without a major overhaul. What's going to happen in that neighborhood? What's going to happen in that area? What's going to happen in that city? Is there going to be enough demand, right? The fact that Costco's not only opening a second location, but is making it bigger than its current location, to me is huge. What it's telling us is that this multi-billion-dollar American global corporation, through their own data, has determined not only does Windsor need more Costco. I mean, hey, who doesn't like buying their jeans where they buy their salmon, right? I mean, but they're predicting massive economic growth and population growth in order to support two Costco locations, right? And not just support two Costco locations, but an even bigger one to complement the smaller one that we currently have. So, guys, remember, you want to look at multiple indicators, right? You want to see what the banks are saying, very positive on Windsor. You want to see what the conference board, which has no political leaning, says, very bullish on, very positive on Windsor. You want to see what all these different groups of repute are doing, right? Whether it's multinational billion-dollar industries putting money where their mouth is into a city, or your levels of government, like your provincial and federal government right now, dumping billions and billions and billions and billions and billions of dollars down here in new power lines, new natural gas lines, international bridges, new freeways, freeway expansions, like new mega $4 billion hospital. Like, so you can see what the government's doing in anticipation of where Windsor's going. You can see what Costco and Amazon and all these companies are doing in relation to where Windsor's going, right? So it's not just about, we're getting a battery plant. It's way bigger than that, right? We are getting one of the fourth industrial revolution supply chains, and it means that Windsor is going to double in size population-wise before I retire, right? It's happening. And as an investor, you need to be able to take advantage of that by understanding the long-term play when you choose a city to invest in, and you go from there. If you're looking to invest in Windsor or move down here for work, I have a team of 10 real estate agents that are, I believe, some of the best in the business, and we can help. So you can message us below, or you can reach out to me directly at thevanguardteam.com, and we'll get you situated. I'm Rhys Trenhaile from the Vanguard Team at Manor Realty. I hope this information helped.